guys, happy Mail Friday, woohoo! And I have some amazing mails to share with you today. So I have 3 mails to share with you and I can't wait to share it. So I will just jump right in. So this first mail is from Ezra and they have been my pen pal since, well, pretty much the start of my YouTube channel, I guess. It has been a long time and I absolutely always love the mail they send me. So let's see. First of all, I have this tea and I'm very looking forward to try it. It's green tea with cinnamon. Absolutely love it. Then here's a baggie with goodies I will share later on. First, look at this washi tape. Absolutely love it. So they always send me the best Halloween or fall themed washi tape. Absolutely gorgeous. I always love the washi tape Ezra sends me. Absolutely amazing. Then this is their letter and it has this beautiful wax seal. Of course, I'm not going to share the letter with you because it's personal. Love the wax seal. I should do more with my wax seals because I do have them, but I forget them. So maybe I should watch a little bit more of Vivian, her videos. Then this is a mail tag questions card. Absolutely love the card. So here are the questions they have for me. And on the back are the answers of my mail tag. Then last but definitely not least, there is this little bag of goodies. And it always makes me happy because I always get the best goodies from Ezra. So we have some Halloween themed washi strip. I love this. Absolutely love this. These are also very cool. Absolutely gorgeous. A lot of stickers. I can use them in my personal journal again or in my other journals, and I always love these Halloween ones. So over the years I have built a little bit of a Halloween stash. Oh, I love these labels because you guys are always so kind to send me these Halloween things. Look at this. I love this with the little doggo and the pumpkin. It's so cute. Absolutely love it. These sticky notes. And then these ones on the back. Love this one. Absolutely love this one. It's amazing. I always love the goodies you sent me, Ezra. So thank you so much for this mail. I absolutely love it. Then next up is Irina. And Irina and I have also been pen pals since a very long time. So we send mail every once in a while to each other. Also because I'm not so fast. I get a lot of mail and a lot of people to answer to. So I'm always behind. I wish I wasn't, but it is. I have to face the fact that I am always behind with my mail. I do answer to everyone I receive mail from, but I am always behind. So Irina sent me this amazing shaker card. Look how cool. I love it. And she is amazing at collage. Absolutely amazing. So I very much love this. Then when you open it up, I will take the letter out. It is this cool pocket folder. Super cool. So she added black tea for me that I can try out myself, mint and chocolate. Then this gorgeous napkin with some birds, nests and eggs. Absolutely love it. So I will definitely use this. Gorgeous. I think one of these will go into my pen pal journal. Then she added a collaged card she made herself. So this will probably go up on my pen pal wall or my Happy Mail wall. It's over there. I like to collect pieces from mails that I stick on that wall, like art pieces or those kinds of things, and that will go up on my wall. These beautiful stickers. Absolutely love them. And some more stickers. These are so cool. So these are puffy stickers. Super cool. Absolutely love this. So thank you so much, Irina, for your lovely mail. And let's hope that I will make some mails soon again. I can't promise anyone because I'm doing this new thing, like you all recommended to me I would do, to just do what I want to do. And if that is not snail mail at this time, then that is okay. I'm very much enjoying my art journal at the moment and my junk journal. Snail mail will come again, but I do feel a lot of pressure to create good things with my snail mail, so maybe it's not the right time. I don't know. Maybe I have created when you see this video. I'm not sure yet. Then I also received this amazing mail from Projecta. It is gorgeous. She's Pretty Crafty Tales on Instagram, and I absolutely loved it. I feel so incredibly spoiled. It is crazy. So when you open it up, you have this beautiful pocket card. So it's not pretty anymore inside because, of course, I checked it. But you can close this up, and then you have this beautiful little booklet or file folder. This is some instant tea mix, some lemongrass chai. So I'm very excited to try this. I will let you know if I like it. Then let's see what is inside. So on this side we have some very cute images. Absolutely love them. I love this one. Absolutely love it. Then she sent me also some cards she received in a swap, and they are gorgeous. So I can use them again in my own art or in creating the pen pal journal page. Very cool. So I will try to put these back together so I will not lose them. Then there are also a lot of tags, which I very much like. So thank you so much for these. They are amazing. And look at these crayon stickers. I love them. And some more rainbow glittery stripes, which are very cool. And some very cool Happy Meal rainbow stickers. I love them. These are Pretty Prints by Anki and Paint and Crafted. Absolutely loved it. I think you can find them on Instagram. They are amazing. Absolutely amazing. Then on the other side of this mail, there was some more stuff for me to check out. We have this beautiful paper clip with this ribbon that I can use again. And then if you go on this side, there are some beautiful cards that I can use again with some very cool quotes. So I will see how I'm going to use these, maybe in a junk journal page. And then we had this envelope with a bunch of little things. Super cool. Look at this panda. He's so cute. I love him. And then we have this cloud with a coffee mug. And all of you know I love coffee a lot. So I love these. Absolutely love these. Maybe I will add them to my journal cover or something. This bird tag. Some more floral pieces. Absolutely love it. This llama. Super cool. And then we have a card. So I feel so spoiled, Projecta. I feel very spoiled. Then there's also this piece that was wrapped or is wrapped in this tissue paper. And if you open it up, then we have some cards. And I think you have hand stamped them, and they are on different types of paper, which is very cool. And I can't wait to use them myself to create something. I will probably use them in a junk journal spread to create some collage with, because you all know I love making collages, and especially with things that I receive, I like to create things for myself. So I tend to hoard all of your stuff for a pretty while and then use it for myself, and I don't really use it for snail mail. Sometimes I do, but most of the times it's just for me. Then in this tissue paper, there's something super cool. I absolutely loved it. So she sent me cards. There is a series, Street Foods of India. And look at these illustrations. They are so cool. Absolutely love these illustrations. So what I think that I am going to do is I'm going to fussy cut them, I think. Or maybe use it as a tip in my own journals and add them there because, well, I absolutely love them. This makes me so happy. And the quality of the card is also amazing. Look how cool. I absolutely love them. Thank you so much, Projekta. These are so cool. I will definitely use them again. It would look so cool on an art journal page, I think. Then underneath is her letter, so I will take that aside. Then she sent me this beautiful piece of art that she received and another piece of art. So probably would put these on my pen pal wall because they're art. I love to collect art on my pen pal wall. And then she also added some more of these super cool papers. And they are textured so cool. I absolutely love it. So I feel so spoiled. Thank you so much, Projekta, for sending me this. And I feel so grateful. Thank you so much. So this was Happy Mail Friday for today. If you if I need to send mail to you, be patient. It will come, but it will be a big surprise when. I hope all of you don't mind. I'm trying to do a little bit, be a little bit more mindful of what I'm doing and a little bit more mindful of my own personal health and mental health. I want to thank all of you. And let's hope that I will get back into the groove again of making snail mail. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, I would love it if you'd give me a thumbs up. I would also love it if you'd consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Put the notification bell on all notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. You can also become a patron of mine and support me that way and see more things that I create and have a little bit more insight in what I'm actually doing all the time. You can follow me there. Become a patron. Link for that is down below in the description box. And then thank you all so much for watching and I hope to see you all next time. Bye!